Hello everyone, welcome back to Tar Talks. You must notice how today is the weekend and you must be wondering why are we recording? Well, you don't know, but I have had this completely new question.
Oh God, I can't do this again. I quit.
What?
I quit. I can't do this again. Hello everyone, I'm Rajveer
I'm Sharika.
and I'm replacing Prisha.
I'm replacing Reno.
Finally, about time that to go. Welcome to the new segment of the Tar Talks that we like to call the weekend.
So, what is the weekend special, Rajir?
Okay, so the weekend special is basically the segment of the Tar Talks where we talk about more fun stuff that does not relate to real world issues.
A lot more entertaining than Reno. Yeah.
Definitely.
We're here to entertain you all. And what are we going to talk about today?
Okay, so something which I know you love very much, sports,
Oh.
sports in GSI specifically.
Sports. What a nice topic. So, what sports do you play?
I love playing basketball. I love playing cricket. I love playing football, but I can't play. I'm not.
Oh, yeah, he has a little skill issue. Well, thank you for asking about what sports I like to play, and that's very nice and nice of you. I play basketball. I mean, I used to play basketball. I enjoyed playing basketball actually, but unfortunate circumstances have made me stop. I play golf now, kind of professional.
Oof, are you now? I don't believe it. Anyways, let's talk. I feel like we should start off by talking about this unfortunate incidents and telling our viewers about it too.
Yes, I think it's time that I talk about it. Well, basically, it was immediately after COVID. We had come back to school. That was in ninth grade, I
Yeah.
think. And trust me, I probably was like the size of that door, and I probably couldn't fit. Right, so it was like it had been so long since I could even play any sport, and I decided to play basketball. One of the heaviest sports according to me. So I was playing, and then I was called a defender, or whatever it is in.
Okay, let's start off by clarifying there are no like specific defenders, but okay.
Okay, I was made that position because I was good at it.
Oh, that's-
So I was defending the ball, and I kind of leaped for the ball, and like I like to blame it on my friend because he was like in front of me, but whatever. I leaped for the ball, and then I heard a crack on my knee, and then yeah,
Then
everything went downhill.
yeah, I remember the shouting from that day. I really do. It was bad, bro. And okay, so just to give everyone a little bit of context, this was I don't remember what day it was.
August 1st, 2022.
August 1st, 2022. Okay. So, funny story. We actually are related through this incident. Let me tell you.
Oh, wait, I remember. It's very yes.
Yes. Okay. So let me say this. So basically, what happened was that I was preparing for a tournament. I was playing for the school team, and in that preparation, it rained that day. It rained very badly that day, and half of the people were indoors. So the people that I was playing with were not necessarily basketball players. They were just like cricketers and footballers who had come to play basketball on that very day. And that is where, okay. So basically, what happened was I went up for the ball, I got a pass, and I went up for a shot. And when I tried to take that shot, some person in basketball, you have what you call your personal space,
Yeah.
right? So if I'm jumping, right, like in front of you, you can't put your foot where I would land.
Oh,
That's a rule.
okay.
And it was a casual match, so obviously we weren't counting all of that. But yeah, someone, I don't even remember who it was, kept their foot where I landed, and I landed foot, and I rolled my ankle very, very, very badly.
Oh God! And that was the same time I had gotten hurt.
Yes, it was it was the exact same day. So I go off, okay, with my broken ankle, almost broken. It was almost broken. It was a really bad sprain. So I went off with my broken-ish ankle, and I went off to the side, right? And I tie what you do is you tie your laces really tight so that it prevents like swelling for a bit. I did that, and it hurt a lot because I tied it, and then my coach was like, "No, not tight enough." He came in, he took my shoelaces out, and then he tied it like extremely tight, like he was pulling me, and then yeah, that happened. So they called for an ambulance.
Oh, and who did that ambulance go for? Who was it supposed to be for?
It was supposed to be for me. because I couldn't walk and I had to go to the hospital. And then in comes the ambulance. And okay, imagine this. Imagine this scenario. Okay, you're there with your foot, which hurts very much and is starting to swell. You are in agonizing pain. You look at the door. You see two nurses coming in with a stretcher. You're like, yes, finally, I'm saved. They'll do something to my foot now. And they walked right past you to the other court where somebody else had fallen down.
In my defense, mine also hurt a lot, but I didn't really care about whether it was paining or not. I was just like, I was very embarrassed, okay? I didn't want to fall that day. And I couldn't walk, right? So people were carrying me. But anyways, yeah, the ambulance was for him.
Yeah.
But it ended up for me.
Yeah. So the stretcher went right past me. And I saw them going to Sharika. And then I remembered, like, okay, that's where all of the crying was coming from.
I wasn't crying.
You were crying. You yelled.
No, I
You
wasn't
yelled.
crying.
For sure, you yelled.
I yelled, but that was only because, I didn't want to be carried. I was asking them to, like, put me down because I didn't want them to carry me, okay? I was so embarrassed. And then, whatever. And I'll tell you the rest of the story, okay? So I went to the infirmary. They took me. And then I couldn't, like, put my leg straight. It was just bent. And then when I had gone to the hospital outside for the X-ray or MRI or whatever, it had cracked again. And that's when my ACL had torn. Yeah, so my meniscus had torn like on the basketball court. But then when I had gone to the X-ray place where they told me to put my leg straight, that's when I heard a bigger crack. That's when my ACL tore.
You broke your leg while you were getting an X-ray.
Yes, while I was getting my X-ray. And I was like, oh, damn it. And then life went downhill after that.
How much did that hurt? The second crack. I don't even know how that works.
It didn't even hurt. It was just like, why is it cracking again? Like, what's cracking? And then I realized, damn. So
It didn't hurt.
it didn't hurt. I didn't really feel anything. My leg was literally hanging, because ligament, if it
Yeah.
it was literally hanging. Okay, that was like very hilarious though. But it was a life lesson actually.
Life lesson.
Yeah, life lesson. Never play basketball again. Did I play basketball after that? Yes. Did I sprain it again after that? Yes. But will I continue to play basketball? Maybe. Not now, but
Yeah, no, she's a golfer now.
I'm a golfer.
You'll
Yes.
probably see her at the golf club on a random Sunday
Yes, you will. Definitely.
playing golf before getting some breakfast. Okay, yeah. So this is the thing that struck me the most about your story. You said you tore your ACL.
Yeah.
That
While I was taking the X-ray. My
you
meniscus
tore the bone? Or you broke? Oh God! You broke the bone on the court.
my meniscus on the court, but
Uh-huh.
my ACL during the X-ray.
Oh God! Okay. So and it didn't hurt. So you're telling me that the injury which put Kobe Bryant out for like 7-8 months, and he had to get a surgery. Oh, you got a surgery.
Yeah.
You did too.
I'll tell you the timeline of my thing, okay? I remember so nicely, August 1st on a Monday, because I don't know why I would Monday, but it has been only 1 week since it was a Monday, yes. It had been 1 week since we had come to school, and then August 1st, exactly 1 week, and then August 1st, everything went down. And then August 4th, I had gone to Coimbatore to get myself admitted in the hospital, and August 6th was my surgery. 6th, 7th, I was in the hospital. 6th, I got my surgery done. 7th, I was in the hospital. And then 9th, I came back to the school. And then the next 2 months, I was in school. In the infirmary.
In the infirmary, yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
We had to so the day she came back to school, all of the girls in our class were like, okay, Sharika's back. And then they were taking the book. So I thought you were I didn't know you tore your ACL. I did not know that. I was still bitter. I was like, oh, bro, I had to walk to the hospital after that, by the way.
Oh,
Because the other ambulance for some reason was out of service that day, and they had only one, and they took you in it.
yeah.
So I had to walk to the hospital. But yeah. So everyone was carrying your books to the infirmary, and I was like, okay, she's back finally. Then I found out that day that you had tore your ACL. Not tore your ACL. I found out you tore your meniscus that day. I didn't know about the ACL.
Yeah, my ACL also torn.
God.
That's kind of sad, isn't it? And actually, I think my meniscus is still torn. Because, I don't know, I went for another MRI during the break, and then they were like, your meniscus is torn. I'm like, what do I do? And they're like, I don't know.
Does it not hurt?
No, actually, it does hurt when I walk, but then, whatever.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm a golfer now. And what is Rajveer?
I am
A wannabe footballer, because
I am a wannabe footballer, yes. I actually got my football shoes this year,
oh, damn.
and they're just sitting in my cupboard. I look at them every day, and I'm like, one day
there.
One day we'll go outside. No, but yeah, I play basketball mainly, but right now I'm playing cricket right now.
Oh,
Because
good at that or
I don't know how to make that judgment. I've had my times when I've been good, and I've had my times where I've been extremely bad.
okay.
Yeah. This is like 6 balls in an over, right? I'm a bowler ish. I'm a yeah.
Just for the context, I don't know anything about sports. Okay, so whatever he's saying, he needs to explain all of it to me.
Okay. I'll explain, Sharik. I'll explain. So you have 6 balls in an over, right? And each bowler can bowl. Like in our format, the one that we play, it's like 5 overs per bowler.
Okay.
So my first over, I bowled pretty. This was in a practice match, by the way, right before our tournament. This is under 19 district tournament. The preparation, the match which was leading up to the whole tournament, we lost. We lost badly to Lawrence. They came to our ground and they beat us, which I'm not proud to admit.
That's kind of embarrassing, guys.
It is. What happened in golf? You all lost too, no?
Where? I don't know anything about golf. Who lost? What
Didn't you play the tournament which happened recently?
No.
Who you did?
That's so weird. Wait, that's only for men, guys. If women can go, if ladies can go, then I'll definitely go.
What? Oh, it's okay.
I'm sure it was like for men.
Right. Yeah. So there's supposed to be 6 balls in an over. I bowled a 12-ball over. So when there's a certain line, right? And then when you bowl outside that line,
Oh,
it's counted as a wide. It doesn't
yeah, I
count
know
as a
wide.
ball. Yeah, see? You're learning. Anyways, that gives the opposite team, basically, it gives them a free run. And you get that ball again too. You have to bowl it again. It doesn't count. So I bowled, I think, a total of 4 wides and 2 no balls. No balls is like either when you bowl above the
It's
waist.
like a dead ball.
No.
Oh,
A dead ball is different.
okay.
A dead ball is like which you don't count at all.
Okay.
A no ball, you have to bowl either above the batsman's waist or there's a line, right, from where you bowl.
Yeah.
If you cross that line, that's a no ball.
Okay.
So yeah, it was a pretty bad over. And then they just replaced me. So I was just standing at the back. So generally all the good fielders stand at the front of the field. I was at the back.
That-
Yeah, I was at the back and I had to. So after each over, they switch sides. Like if you're bowling from here,
Yeah.
the next over you'll bowl here. And what I had to do, what I did all of that game was I bowled my 12 balls. I went to the back of the field. And then because the side changes every time and they did not want me to be at the front, I had to run to the other side constantly. This is all I did for
Just
what?
imagine like Rajveer running across the field, like getting a hit because he was so bad at the.
I wasn't. To be fair, I've improved.
Okay.
But yeah, that was pretty.
Yeah.
That was really bad.
Well, sports is not really my thing. I think it is, but whatever.
Yeah. So let me come to another point which I really liked about our 10th grade was PHE classes.
Yes, I miss PHE classes. They were so fun.
They were really, really nice.
Even if I didn't play the game, like even if I didn't play the sport, like kabaddi classes were so nice. Like during PHE class, okay, we'd play kabaddi, but then I wasn't like one of those people who would actually play. I would just look and I'd like comment or do whatever. But looking at it was so fun. We had like various like incidents that have happened, like sweaters tearing, people removing their ties, and
Yeah.
that was fun.
PHE class, I miss those, man. They were so nice. Like a whole day of academics, like a whole week of academics can really get to you. And then when you get that one class where you can just go out and have fun,
I know.
it was really nice.
I miss that. MOP5 was super.
MIP5 was
I really miss MOP5.
Yeah. I don't miss my marks though. I miss the classes. I miss the fun. Yeah.
I was actually like glad about my marks though. I was one of the few who was like happy about my marks.
I remember that day. It was so bad.
Yeah, it was so bad for everyone, but I was happy in a corner.
That connects to sport. So okay, that very day when we got our result, I don't even remember the date. What was the date?
August 1st. Oh my god, everything, it's all connected. August 1st, result day. August 1st,
2024.
2024.
Yeah, this year. Yeah. So I remember that day I went to cricket. So generally we have the basketball tournaments at the start of the year. I got that over with. We came second, by the way. We lost. I played like 5 tournaments for the school team. And we've always been second for 4 of them. We've been second for 4. But we won this one. We won the last one. It was really fun. We won by 1 point. The last one we'd lost by 1 point.
Go Towers.
Go Towers.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Anyways, so I remember being yelled at by coach on that day, and it was very bad. It was very. I bowled another one of my signature 10 ball overs, and yeah, coach yelled at me pretty badly. He was like, "You've been coming for so long, you have to improve." And he was right. He was right, but it hurt. And then when I came back to the boarding house to take a shower,
Yeah.
that's when a friend reminded me that we have results coming out today. I had done my best to forget it. And then, yeah, when it finally did happen, yeah.
Remember when, like, all of us, we were waiting for the results, but our coordinator hadn't come. We were all outside
Yeah.
her office just waiting, and we were like, it was like a small cult, like an MLB cult, just all of us waiting for a result.
And everyone's just with their fingers crossed.
But then it wasn't like much later until we got the results actually, because it was like end of prep.
Yeah, we waited for like, I think, like 25 minutes max. We got our results though.
What results? That was one mind blowing results
Wasn't good.
on a sheet of paper, just handing it out.
Yeah, that was worse. I remember our coordinator being inside the office, and then she picked up a paper from the stack that she had, and so she was calling out people in order, and she would hand them the paper and then shake their hand, be like, "Well done."
Oh, that feeling. You know where else I get that feeling? In the golf course. I actually enjoy the golf course a lot. Have you ever seen the golf course in school?
Our school? No,
Yeah.
not good.
Well, it's very nice. Okay, it's very pretty. We have like grounds and then some agricultural field. Like every month they change. Usually there's carrots or garlic or onion.
Oh, in the field. Okay,
In the field.
yeah.
And then there's another course on the other side. So like the golf course is like my happy place. Like if I'm happy, if I'm sad or angry, anything, I just go there. It's like it's such a peaceful place. Even if I don't play, I just go there, lie down,
Yeah.
sleep, and enjoy the time. Very peaceful.
You know where I do that?
The cricket ground.
The football field.
Football field.
Where I can't.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, I just go. I relate to that. I relate to that a
Yeah.
lot actually. Sports, they're hugely important to me. Like I understand how it might be bad for you with your broken leg and all, but for me, basketball has just been like all of the stress that builds up in a day. You go to the basketball court and you let it all out.
I agree.
It's fun.
And a major reason of why I even chose golf was because I had to unwind.
Yeah, but golf. Okay, so
Because there's no movement. You don't have to. I don't want to move my body anymore. Not after what happened.
but isn't it like? I feel like golf is more frustrating
No, you just.
because basketball, right? You miss a shot, it's okay. You run back, and then you get the ball again. You know you will get that ball again. With golf, if you take a shot and you mess it up really badly, you have to take like 4 extra strokes to get it out of the woods or get it out of the sand. Have you been in the bunker?
Yeah.
How many shots do you take to get out?
Well, see, I'm still learning. Okay, it's been only like a few months, like over 12 months, but we're still counting. Okay, so the thing is, with even like practice is perfect. Like in the moment, the heat of the moment, you'll get it. I get it.
Yeah, I don't.
I almost made a hole in one. Once there was like from when you're playing up and down. Do you know what up and down is?
You play a word
Like you start from the
tee.
from the tee, but then not from the tee, from that area, and then
That is the tee.
yeah, that is the tee. Sorry, you start from the tee and then you hit it down.
It is the tee.
It is a tee,
Then you go to the hole.
and then you go down. Like it's like longer shots, and then you play in the green.
Right. Yeah.
So I was about to hit a hole in one. It was like the hole was in ball because that was sad.
Did you make it in 2?
No,
You missed a putt which was right beside the. Did you make it in 3?
yeah,
Thank God.
I wish.
What was the par on that over?
I don't know. I really don't know terms for golf, bro. I play golf. I don't know the terms.
Okay, so a par is like what they think that the average number of shots should be to get it into that hole. So if you're above par, you're just bad.
Okay.
If you're below par, you're good. Which is what?
I'm good. I'm good. Okay.
You're below. You were
I'm
once.
a good golf player.
Once.
Golfist. No, golfer.
Golfer.
Golfer. So that was our sports. That was us talking about sports and MYP in between.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Weird transition.
We're-
But yeah. We really hope you enjoyed listening to this episode of the Weekend Special. We'll be coming back and there might be a few surprises for you in store
Yeah.
the next time we're here.
And unfortunately, you'll have to see Rina and Prisha next episode again. So This is me, Sharika, signing off for today's episode.
This is me, Rajveer. I've been your host for today. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you all in the next one.